Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are trying to choose between Starlink and Xfinity, you are basically deciding between satellite internet and cable internet. So the real question here is which one is actually better in 2026 in terms of speed, reliability and value. So first let's understand the difference between these two based on technology. So Starlink uses satellites in space, which means it can provide the internet almost anywhere, even in the remote areas. On the other hand, Xfinity uses cable connections, which are limited by the location but generally more stable. When we talk about the speed and the performance, so Xfinity is much faster overall, with the plans going into very high speeds. Starlink is going to offer you decent speeds, but they are usually lower and can vary. So Xfinity has lower latency, so it feels more responsive. Starlink has improved a lot, but still can have small delays or fluctuations. When we talk about the pricing, so Starlink is more expensive and you also have to pay for the equipment upfront. Xfinity is usually cheaper at the starting level, making it more budget friendly option. When it comes to availability, so Starlink works almost anywhere, which makes it great option for the rural and the remote locations. Xfinity is widely available but still limited to the certain areas when we judge them based on reliability. So Xfinity is more stable, especially during the peak usage. Starlink can be affected by the weather or the network congestion, so performance may fluctuate at times. So in simple terms, Xfinity is more stable and reliable, whereas Starlink is flexible but less consistent. So if you want fast speed, low latency and stable performance, you can go with Xfinity. But if you live in the rural areas with limited options, then Starlink can be a great alternative for you. It all depends on your location and your needs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.